Welcome to this demo on the TPFDF C function support for macro trace functionality in ZTPFGI. This is a new feature that's been recently added in order to enable you developers to set the macro trace option to stop this ECB in the TPFDF C functions. By this, it enables you to trace the C programs which was not possible before. The key advantage of this feature is that now the macro trace functionality supports both the assembler macros and the C functions during tracing. So how do I use this feature? To use this feature, you need to get yourself connected to any available test system. You could see that I'm already connected to VPA 4, and then after getting yourself connected to the test system, go to system, select the ALC terminal. I've selected ALC terminal 1. Now you could see the trace tab is enabled or made visible here, and go here. See, the thing is this functionality works under 3 conditions. One is when you set your trace option as TPFDF macro group, or when you set this macro group along with other macro groups, and also when you set the trace option as all macros and individual DF macros. So first what I'm going to do is, the process that you need to follow for all these 3 cases is the same. So now I'm going to go with the individual macros. So I'm selecting the option selected macros, and I'm going to select 2 individual or specific macros to put it appropriately. So DB open and DB red. You could see once I select these 2 DF macros, the macro group associated with this auto selected. So with these as my trace options, I'm going to click OK to confirm my to set these as my trace options. After this setting the trace options, let me give the application entry to trigger the ECB. Okay, so you could see now that ECB will stop at one of the trace options. So we have set one of the trace option DB open. So at here the stopped. So to continue tracing, I am clicking run to trace. So as I click, you would see that whenever this transaction crosses either the DB red or DB open, the ECB gets stopped. So you could see the operations here, DB open, DB red in sequence. So once this transaction run is completed, the success message will be displayed in your terminal window. So you need to follow the same step with the trace option set as only the TPFDF macro group, or this macro group can be set along with the other macro group. That's all in terms of the feature which I want to demonstrate to you. Thank you.